Hi guys, so this is Fuzail. So there's one tonight. I know how to make this one. So there the rule. This one. Wow! Look at this crackers. This is so beautiful. No, not holding it. I'm just vlogging. This is the one. So cool. Look at this climate in Oman. It's very nice. So sweet and number. So this is where we get. So there is the one where we belongs to our country. So there. Oh wow. Wow. Look at this one.
I wish all of us.
This one. There's the one. I'm vlogging. The stars is very beautiful. Wow. With the sky black. It's very good. Very good. This is a very climate. So there. So where we are. So there's the one. Wow. Look the crackers. This is a good thing. What? See, what are you talking about? You're nuts. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's same happened for like from Harry Potter. Wow. So there. So there it is. So there and there and there. Wow, that's great. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. Alhamdulillah. So that's the one really good. So much. Wow. You are so cute. The birthday boy is Zoheb. Now he's 10 years old, but we are going to see our food. No. This is one.
It's a sonic green. Before it does come in.
Wow.
Mine died.
So beautiful the crackers is. Very nice crackers. Very good. Very good it's a crackers. So I was having sick neck pain. Then I went to Lama hospital in yesterday. I was happening quickly. Then quickly maybe I have died now. Because I know I'm alive. Because I know. Woo! Super. Super. Wow. Whoa. That was so close. So they're so close, guys.
Please subscribe to me.
So they will be subscribed to me. So I will like and share. Okay. So there.
A monthly shopping right now. It's only for 1 year valid. Till March 2024.
Okay.
Till till 20th of March 2024.
Wash your hands and legs before I went out.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Hey.
अरे नीचे है कि देखो.
So next video I'll see you on a Wednesday. So see you, and be good and like and share, subscribe. Don't forget to like and button and subscribe my channel. So see you guys. So after this video, so click and like and share. Okay. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. See you next week. Okay. And see you. Ramzan is coming today. Okay. See you. Bye bye.